This video is going to introduce you to the quizzes we take once a week based on the assigned reading in the Technology in Action textbook. If we go to the assignments page by clicking here on this assignments button on the home page of the class website, you'll see there's only one folder now. Each week there'll be a new assignment folder, and this is partially complete right now. I'm still working on the site, but you will always see a reading assignment. We'll go through one chapter a week in Technology in Action. The quiz we take each week is based solely on the readings in Technology in Action reading for that week. We will have lab assignments as well, but they'll begin the second week. So you'll see those in the Assignment 2 folder when it's posted, and I'll post some videos introducing you to those too. Anyway, you'll always have a non-graded practice quiz and also a graded quiz. So this quiz will have a due date on it, which will be which will be the Sunday of the second week. Each week we'll have a new chapter, new quiz based on that chapter. So the difference between the graded and ungraded, other than the fact that the ungraded quiz doesn't have grade, doesn't have points, you can take the ungraded quiz as many times as you'd like. It has less questions than the graded quiz. The graded quiz will have 30 questions, multiple choice and true and false, and usually the ungraded will have between 15 and 20, also multiple choice and true and false. All of these questions are taken from the same test bank, so they're very similar. So the whole idea is, by doing well on the non-graded quiz, that should give you an idea of how well you're understanding the material before you take the graded quiz. So the graded quiz is timed. Usually it's about 25 to 30 minutes. The ungraded quiz is not timed. There are some similarities between the two. There's no backtracking. That is to say, you can't go back and look at a previous question that was displayed on a previous screen of the quiz. So one question per screen, you answer that question, then go to the next question on the next screen. When you're done with the test and submit it, it's graded. The grade is recorded in the class website gradebook, and your score plus all the answers you got right and wrong with the correct answers are displayed on the screen. So let's take a look at the format of one of these quizzes. I'm just going to do the ungraded quiz here, just the first few questions. You can see that it'll let you take it multiple times. So I'm going to go ahead and click the continue button to see the first question. And again, the questions on these quizzes are mostly multiple choice with some true and false. So unwanted or junk email is called, what's it called? Probably spam, huh? So I would select that button, and you don't necessarily have to save your answer. It's automatically saved for you, but you want to click to the next question by clicking this greater than symbol right here. You'll notice I'm on question 3 of 20 because I took the first few before I started the video. You'll be on question 1 of 20 with the practice quiz. So again, the next page is another question. Effective computing is whatever, performing, whatever it is. And then I'm going to click to go to the next page. By no backtracking, I meant I can't go back and look at question 4 now that I'm on question 5. If I hit the back button, the quiz is going to abort. It's going to stop. By the way, the quiz may abort or stop because the Blackboard server, the computer and program that's administering the quiz, loses the connection or has some problem. If you're not able to complete the quiz because the quiz just sort of freezes, email me and I'll reset the quiz, clear it so you can take it again. The only downside of that is I literally have to clear the quiz and you have to begin over at question 1. So that's how this goes until the very last page where you submit the quiz. There's a button down here to do that, and then you'll get the results. That just about does it. If you want to look at your grades, I guess I can talk to you about that a little bit. This button will take you to the class website gradebook and displays only your grades to you for that point in the semester. And if you want to know more about grading, I strongly suggest that you go ahead and read the course syllabus. You should read it anyway by looking here, clicking this button. If you have any questions, just email me. Instructor contact information has my email address.